Imagine zooming across the turquoise waters of Bora Bora on a jet ski, with your family by your side. This isn't just a thrill ride, it's a cultural journey. With stops at a volcanic center, a swimming spot, and a motu for a Polynesian BBQ, it's an adventure for the senses. Suitable for kids over 6 and teens 16 plus to drive, it's an accessible thrill starting at $126 per person. Dive into an educational snorkeling tour with marine biologists in French Polynesia. From shallow lagoon explorations to deeper encounters with manta rays, there's a tour for every family. Prices range from $84 to $121 per person, offering a chance to learn about marine conservation while swimming with vibrant sea life. Take an ATV off-road adventure through Bora Bora's rugged terrain. Suitable for anyone over 4, with drivers 18 plus at the helm, this tour combines excitement with historical discovery. Visit American Wall 2 cannons and enjoy panoramic views, all while learning about the island's past. Refreshments and transfers are included, ensuring a seamless experience. Step into the world of Polynesian culture with a coconut show, where performers demonstrate traditional uses of the coconut. Engage with storytellers as they recount Polynesian legends and enjoy a traditional lunch amidst tropical landscapes. It's a cultural immersion that's both educational and entertaining for the whole family. French Polynesia's private motus offer a peaceful retreat for swimming and picnicking. After a swim, relax with a yoga session or explore the waters with a sea bob. Paddleboarding and kayaking are also family favorites, with rentals available at most resorts. And for the little ones, splash pads at beachfront villas provide endless fun. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.